Today we're walking through digital business cards in QRStuff. QRStuff lets you create professional QR codes, customize how they look, and manage them from your account when you're signed in. A digital business card is a live profile people open when they scan your code. Contact details, links, and a design you control instead of reprinting paper cards every time something changes. Head to QRStuff.com and open the QR code generator after logging into your account. In the list of data types, select Business Card. Next, click on Create New Card and fill in all the details you want to be displayed when your digital business card is scanned, including emails, links, images, social platforms, etc. You can also personalize the themes and colors of the business card according to your preference. Click on Save and then Close to proceed on to setting up your QR code. Here, you can personalize the code's appearance by adjusting its shape, setting custom colors and gradients for the modules and corner eyes. You can even upload your company logo or a center text overlay. You can also set a background and foreground image for added visual flair. Next, move to the Setup tab to configure the advanced tracking and management settings. Give your QR code a clear name, set the desired DPI or resolution for high-quality printing, and enable features like password protection, Slack notifications for new scans, pixel settings, pause functionality, and scan limits. Click the Download button to save finished digital business card QR code in your preferred format. And that's how easy it is to create a powerful DBC QR code using QRStuff.com. Start tracking, editing, and optimizing your campaigns today.